Hello everyone and welcome to Simplified. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can use Canva AI for your social media marketing. We're going to have a look at Magic Studio, a full suite of Canva tools powered by AI that you can use to help with your social media marketing. But before we begin, please consider hitting the subscribe button and notification bell if you're interested in similar and related topics. So here we are at our Canva home screen, and this is what we'll see after logging into our Canva account or signing up for a new one. So let's head on over to our Magic Studio. Let's go over some of the tools we can use here from Magic Studio. We have Magic Design for presentations, and Magic Design for video. There's also Magic Write available, along with Magic Switch, Magic Animate, Magic Morph, and of course text to image, also known as Magic Media. Now, since we're going to be doing this for social media marketing, we're going to have a look at Magic Design for video, Magic Write for when we create our captions, and of course text to image. So first, let's start with Magic Design. Here we can use this tool to describe what we want to create, and this Magic Design feature will create a collection of custom templates just for us. You can also have the option to apply your branding through the Brand Kit feature. Now let's give it a try. So you can use 5 or so words to describe what design you're looking for. Now let's say, for example, we are a travel and tours business and we want to amp up our social media marketing using Canva's AI tools. So for this part, if you don't have much idea what to do for your social media marketing, we can also use ChatGPT to give us ideas. So let's go over there and do that. So now that we're in ChatGPT, we can type in. So our prompt is social media marketing prompt ideas from a travel tours business in Canva AI design. And here we go. Now we got like at least 20 ideas, which is enough for at least a month's worth of content for your social media marketing. So let's start with this first one. Show stunning visuals of different travel destinations. So let's copy this part of the prompt. Yes, this part. So we'll copy that and paste it over to Canva AI. So it helps to be a little bit more specific. So let's add on a few more words. And we can also remove this word to make it a little bit more specific. Just like with any AI, the more specific you are with your prompt, the better. And let's hit enter. Let the AI work its magic. If it takes a while, don't worry, that's totally normal. And there we have it. Now we have some templates to choose from for our social media marketing post. So what we can do is we can also tailor these templates in a way that will work for our brand. So here we have different colors that you can choose from. You can pick the one that is closest to the vibe you're going for. So for example, this one. Or let's say maybe you're going for a more luxurious vibe. So we can try this color. And there we have it. This color fits more if you're going for a more luxurious brand. You can just pick the template that you like. Let's say, for example, I want to use this one. So let's click on this and click on customize this template. And you'll be taken to your new post template that is ready to be customized. You can customize or keep this photo here and change the quotes or the text part, either a client testimonial or maybe a little bit of a tidbit about the location you want to promote. So once you're happy with your visual, we can export this, and then I'll show you later how we can also create captions using AI tools in Canva. Now we're going back to our Magic Studio. We can also try Magic Design for video for our social media marketing. Definitely video is something that you should have in your social media marketing. So let's click on this one. So in using Magic Design for video, we will need existing assets. Let's say, for example, since we have a travel and tours business that we're making social media marketing posts for, we can, let's say, use clips of a certain destination that we want to promote. Just upload that and put it in our prompt, and then Magic Design for video will generate a video for us. So let's give it a try. Alright, so let's say for example that what I want to do is promote Dubai as a destination for my travel and tours business. I already have pre-selected 3 video clips here that we can use for our Magic Video AI tool. So I'll just go ahead and drag and drop them here. Now we'll describe the video that we want. So video to promote Dubai as a destination for my travel tours business. And let's just wait for the media to finish uploading. So now that we've finished uploading, we can click on generate. Now let's wait for the video to be generated. And here's the video made by the AI. We can also see that the AI also incorporated the music track to our video and synchronized the transitions to the beats of the music. And in this last slide, they added what I put in as the logo for my brand kit. And we can just go ahead and remove that one. Make a little bit of tweaks over here. You could move the text so people could see Burj Khalifa better. Now let's have a look at our video. That was incredible and definitely saves a lot of time. You already do the words or the copywriting that you could add for your video. Now let's say for example that I want to turn this into a reel format or a TikTok video format. What I can do is we can click on Magic Switch over here. And this feature used to be Magic Resize, and you can see that it got an upgrade. So it's an upgraded version of Magic Resize. Now what I can do is look for the option that I want it to be. Let's say for example Instagram Reels. Here we go. And we can click on continue. So it automatically resizes the video and arranges the elements in a way that makes sense for the size that we selected. You have the option to either copy and resize or resize this design. So copy and resize will let you keep a copy of the current file that we are working on and at the same time creating another copy that is the size that we want it to be. Or we can just fully resize this design if you no longer want to keep a copy of this horizontal format. It will automatically give you the vertical format. But for this tutorial, let's just go with copy and resize. Now we can click on open movable video. And there we have it. We can see now we have the video that we created in vertical format or for Instagram Reels or TikTok. The vertical format. We can also do a little bit of tweaks over here to the elements here in a way that makes sense for us. So let's play and have a look at the video we created and resized for Instagram Reels. And there you go. Now we can just export this and we have an Instagram Reel from the video we created for our social media marketing. So let's say for example that maybe you don't have enough photos or videos of the location that you want to showcase. Let's head on over to this new canvas and use the AI image generator from Canva. Let's click on apps. An AI image generator by OpenAI, powered by DALL-E, and it's also connected to Canva. Now what I can do is click on open. Now we can enter our prompt to create something to promote our destination using AI. So let's input our prompt for this. Stunning views in Dubai. Let's take this as an example and click generate. Now wait for the AI to work its magic, and there we have it. We now have these stunning views in Dubai that we can use for our social media marketing posts. But we could get a little bit more specific with this. Let's say, for example, let's put a beautiful photo of the Burj Khalifa. Now let's click on generate again. And there we have it. We now got photos of the Burj Khalifa that we can use for our social media marketing. But if you didn't like the results you get, you can always click on generate again. Okay, so now let's go back to the reel we created using Magic Resize. Let's say, for example, that we want to post this video as our reel. And of course, if we have a post, we are going to need captions, right? We have a tool here in Magic Studio that can help us with that. So let's head on over to Magic Write. Click on Try Magic Write. So we are taken to this default screen, but for what we're doing, let's click on Add Page. And we can also click on Add Text. We can use this one. Let me just reposition this a little bit. And we could now start with our prompt. So I'll type in our prompt. So here I'm really just telling the AI what to do. There's no special prompts for this. It's direct and straightforward. Click on Continue Writing. And there we go. Now we have a full caption that we can use to accompany our Instagram reel post for our social media marketing. Click on Magic Write again. And if we want to make it shorter, we can click on Summarize Text. If you want to make it more fun, you could click on More Fun. If you want to rewrite it, you don't like the style, you can always click on Rewrite. Or if you want to make it more formal, you can click on this option. Or we could also click on Sprinkle Fairy Dust to make it a little bit more verbose. So now we have our caption and our reel, and we can just go ahead and export this reel and copy paste the caption, and we will upload it onto our Instagram account. Okay, so I went ahead and uploaded the caption and the reel that we got from Canva's AI tools to the sample Instagram account, and this is what it looks like. I also added little bits of space or line breaks over here. If you're posting long texts on social media, it's always helpful to insert some line breaks to help make your caption more readable and understandable for the viewers. So let's play it with the audio real quick. So there you have it. That is how we can use Canva's AI for your social media marketing. This is how you can make use of the different tools that Magic Studio has to offer to help with your social media marketing. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and comment, and you can also subscribe to our channel for more informative and helpful videos like this one. Thank you!